Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I refresh, recurl, and restyle my quick weave. Make sure you're subscribed and connect with me on my socials that will be linked down below. Also, any products mentioned will be linked down below as well. Let's get into it. Y'all, I have to refresh my quick weave, so let's get into it. I need to figure out how to wash the hair or get the oils up out of it. I know I can just wash my leave out, but yeah, I'm gonna be refreshing my quick weave. So the first thing I'm gonna do is part my leave out, separate it from the extension.
Don't think we compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me.
Alright, y'all, I'm back. Yeah, it jumped when I washed my leave out because I didn't know how I was gonna be able to wash the leave out. Sorry if y'all hear background noise, but now I'm about to clean the quick weave and refresh my quick weave, excuse me, the weave. So what I like to do is take some alcohol in a spray bottle and just use that to dampen the hair, and then just squeeze it out and then blow dry it. So I'm gonna section this off and get into doing that. Before I do that, I need to spray some heat protectant and some Dream Coat in my hair. Also need to apply Olaplex 9 as well. So, and it's crazy because I almost forgot to even mention I had to do those steps. So I got a little bit of heat damage.
Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song.
So now it's damp. I've sprayed it with the alcohol and the water.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair, and your soft skin, and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh. Good God, what you doing that walk for?
Okay, y'all, now it's time to flat iron. I'm gonna be flat ironing the extensions first and then the leave out, blending it, and then I'm gonna throw some curls in it. We just gonna do the hair. We just gonna do the hair. I don't want to do too much talking. Let's just do the hair.
Every time I write these words, they become a taboo.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way?
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, ciao for now, ciao, ciao. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, ciao for now, ciao, ciao. Yeah, she making that ass shake, breaking that back till her back break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever present. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. No, turn pop. Run up on big dough, you won't, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big car been here like Mayweather, Tula come through and blow a hoe. Got millions out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming, fuck 'em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just start you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Dead glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Dead glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Dead glow, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Dead glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Get low, where you been at, mine? Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the
All right, y'all. I have finished the hair, and yes, I brought those curls back. It gives me like messy, playful hair. Like I call this my sexy mom hair. I really do. I call this my sexy mom hair. And I feel like your mom, what is that? I should cover that up. I feel like if you're a mom, wear your hair like this, side part, layers, curls, like, you that girl, you a sexy mom. But I ain't got no kids, but this is my sexy mom hair. But yes, you guys, this is how I refresh my quick weave. I curled it right back on up. We're looking good. We're looking new. Ooh. Yes. All right, y'all. So I finally finished my hair and I threw some makeup on. Y'all will see the tutorial in a different videos where y'all can see the face in another video. That's a whole nother tutorial. I don't know which one will be posted before, but it will be linked. And yes, like, I could go get this hairstyle again. Like, layers is really that girl. I don't know what I was doing. Like, when I got my hair done, I told her, I said, just cut it. Get scissor hair. She's like, you know, some girls. I said, no. I want the look. Cut whatever you need to cut. Leave me the little bit of length you can. And I know I'm getting older because I don't even like my hair super duper long anymore. I'm like, oh, in order to feel cute, I don't need my hair to be 30 inches, but like this good layers and fluffiness that it just it's exuding. Like, I feel, that's how I feel. Yeah, that's how I feel. I feel like yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't subscribe, like, and comment for me. My socials will be linked down below. Y'all know when you get your hair done or when you do your hair right, you know, you just can't stop touching it because you just feel so sexy. Like, I feel so sexy. Yeah. But hopefully you guys see, can't even get my words right. I feel so sexy. Yeah. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. I hope you enjoyed this content, this type of content, or this type of videos. You know, just showing you guys how I like to refresh my quick weave and stuff like that. It's been a great Sunday. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video.
Little game with you, cause if you wanna stay, then I'll play. Yeah. You playing with my